everyone, this is Jennie Cho Lee. My sensei is Kazuko Teo. I'm going to share my love of bamboo with you. In my sensei Kazuko's book, there are many ways to use bamboo and I inspire from there. And of course, she teach me many different techniques. I was thinking, how can I show the natural green in the different stage? So I come up with the idea, I cut the bamboo in 3 pieces. And then for the rest, I cut into the ring. So you can see from here, the bamboo body is more green because they are whole piece, so they are easy to keep the original color. And after I cut the ring, actually the ring start to fade. So this is from same piece of bamboo. But because after I saw it, they export to the air longer, so they became pale green. So I love the natural process of the fading. So I think in this way I can show the different green. So now I have all the bamboo stick ready and put into the bamboo container. The beautiful nature green, darker one, pale one, and some of them became beige. I love the way they naturally blending together, so I choose very simple camellia. Those camellia, maybe you cannot see from the screen, they have very beautiful pale green moss on top of the branch. So I think the color will go really well together. So those branch kind of echo the base, and I have very beautiful double white lily. I think the color is so clean to go with the pale green. So I try to arrange the flower tool to you so you can feel the closeness of the material. And some on the back to give the depth of the arrangement. And a little bit more cheerful color too. This one on the back. The last, I want to give the piece a little bit movement, so I use the flag sleeve. Okay, this is my first arrangement. When bamboo is very old, the green color will fade totally and it looks a little bit lifeless. So in order to bring back the new life to the bamboo, this time I try to slice vertically. The one I take out, and this is the one I take out, and this is the center piece. About 3/4 inch. My way of natural color is very pretty, so I leave it. So the way I paint it is I paint the hookah's green all over and use paper towel to wipe them off because bamboo have a film to protect them. So they are very easy to wipe it off if you wipe them very fast. And then I glue the rice paper partially, and because the paper is so thin and so weak, so I apply hot wax on that. So this is a melting pot for wax. If you don't have the melting pot, you can use double boil. The wax became liquid. I just apply the liquid wax on the rice paper. I usually apply 3 or 4 times. In this way, the paper became very strong, and also they are waterproof too. So your piece can last longer, and also I feel the wax give them a little bit depth and translucent look. Now the treated bamboo is ready to use. The title of this design is Outside of Soggy Screen. This is the fresh bamboo, and I cut the stem to the slanty angle so easier to go in. Bamboo is so flexible, so they have a character of flexibility in the ancient literature. It also has a humble character because they are hollow, so they can always accept other people's wisdom. Let's put this one on the front, almost the same direction. This one put in the bag to give it a little bit depth, and I prepare this one for 360 angle, so you can view from all different angles. Those winter berries are so cute, and they give you the happiness of New Year season too. Back through the silver. On the front side, you can picking through those cute red from the silver. I love this branch. They are kind of naturally guide your eye to the direction. So I put it on the back and picking through the front, picking to the front. Those marigolds are from my friend's house. I love them. They are so nature. A little bit green outside. Let's finish the back with the same marigold. You can picking from the front, or when you walk through the back, they give you a nice surprise. And let's throw those red berries in the water. I visualize this design as I stay inside of a tatami room, looking through Sogi screen to garden. I can see the green and flowers swing under the sunlight. The title of this piece is Wing Chun. I imagine different greens, flowers, the gentle breeze are interacting to each other, making beautiful melody. Again, I use bamboo as my main material. The bamboo here serve as water source, as well as the straight line in my design. I collect the different size of thin bamboo and cut them in the various lengths. So the water source is here. So I try to keep longer knot so they can put more water and last longer. To construct the bamboo ring piece, I use about 5 different size bamboo. Cut them in 1/2 inch, and then I use bond wire to bond them together as a basic piece. After that, I feel I need some dynamic, so I add some on the front and some on the back. Before I put them all together, I use magazine paper to color some of the bamboo ring. I use wood glue and then glue on top of the bamboo ring, then cut them off. After that, I apply 3 layers of wax on top because I want to reduce the shininess and saturation of magazine paper. Flower and the green are more important, so I don't want the colorful ring overpower the main material. I like to walk into my garden in the early morning. The fresh green, colorful flower, birds singing always give me new energy of the day. I truly like to share the delight with you. So I put all I feel into this design. Thank you for watching.